This is 10.6. So here we're just multiplying binomials. So that times that is w squared. First one times the last one is 4w. And then negative 4w times w is negative 4w. And then minus 16. And these happen to cancel. So we're left with w squared minus 16. All right. Okay. Whenever we have two radicals that we want to add together, we sort of treat them like variables. So if I had 5x plus 1y, or just y, where x would be the square root of 32 and y would be the square root of 8, those are not like terms. We can't add them together. If it was 5x plus x, I could add them together. So you can only add square roots together if the radicals are the same, and then you would add the numbers in front. But we can try to simplify this to see if the simplified version will add together. So that's 8 times 4, 2 times 4, 2 times 2, and 2 times 2. And then we cross off everything that factored. And I'm left with 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So I start circling pairs. There's a pair, and there's a pair. So for this one, I bring out a 2, and this one I bring out a 2, and then that is the leftover. So the outside started with a 5, but I'm going to bring out a set of 2's for this one, and then a set of 2's for that one. And then I have square root with a 2 left over. So that becomes 5 times 2 is 10, times 2 is 20, like that. So the next one, 4 and 2, 2 and 2. I have one set of 2's. That goes to the front. And then this 2 got left behind. So now I have 20 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Those are now like terms. Together they make 22 root 2. Does that make sense? Do you want to see another one of those? Yeah. So 63 is 9 times 7, 3 times 3. 28 is 4 times 7, which is 2 times 2. So cross off everything that factored. The first one, I can bring out a 3. 3 root 7, or minus. There's already a 3 in the front, but I'm going to bring out a set of 2's. 6 root 7. So 3 root 7 minus 6 root 7 is negative 3 root 7. All right. If a person's eye level is h meters above sea level and he can see d kilometers to the horizon, then d, which is distance, equals 3.57 times the square root of h. Suppose the person's eye level is 5.76 meters. How far can he see? So we're going to stick this in there. So we get 3.57 times the square root of 5.76. So 3.57 times the square root of 5.7. Oh, 3.57 and 5.76. 3.57 times the square root of 5.76. Okay, easy enough. All right. Whenever we multiply radicals, so let's say we have 2 root 3 times 5 root 6. To multiply these together, you do outside times outside and inside times inside. So the outsides would be 10. The outside is 10 and the inside is 18. So it's sort of like 4x squared times 5x. The numbers get multiplied together to make 20, and then the variables get multiplied together to get x to the third. Same idea. But here, once we complete the multiplication, we need to check to see if the square root will simplify. So that would be 9 times 2, 3 times 3. So I can bring out a set of 3's, which makes that 30. And then a 2 got left behind. 30 root 2. Okay. So for this problem, I'm going to rewrite it as 1 root 7 times 11 root 1 plus 1 root 6. Okay, I just put 1's as placeholders everywhere there wasn't a number. So I need to multiply this into there. Outside times outside is 11, and inside times inside is root 7. Plus, multiply that in. 1 times 1 is 1, and root 7 times root 6 is root 42. And now I don't need the 1's anymore, so 11 root 7 plus root 42. I should check, does this simplify? No. There are no pairs. All right. 4 and 3, 5 and 15, 2 and 2, 3 and 5. So here I can bring out a set of 2's. So 2 root 3 plus. Here I can bring out a set of 5's. Those 5's hit that 3, become a 15. Root 3 minus 20 root 3. Now they all have the same, they're all like terms. So 2 plus 15 is 17. 17 minus 20 is negative 3 root 3. All right. And we're going to pretend that there's a 1 there and a 1 there. So we multiply here. Outside times outside is 6. Inside times inside is 21. Minus outside times outside is 6. And inside times inside is 9. So 21 is made up of 3 and 7, so that does not simplify. And 9 is made up of 3 times 3, so it does simplify. I pull out a set of 3's. So 6 root 21 minus 6 times 3 is 18, and nothing is left on the inside, so it's just the square root of 1, and we don't need to write the square root of 1. Okay. So we need to distribute this one to here. So outside times outside would be 10, and inside times inside would be root 2. Then we do this. Outside times outside is 20. Inside times inside is root 20. We multiply that, and that's just minus 6. Multiply that. Minus 12 root 10. And then we check to see if anything simplifies. That one does not simplify. That is just 2 times 5. It does not simplify. But this one is 4 times 5, 2 times 2. So we bring out a set of 2's, and they hit the 20. So 10 root 2 plus 40 root 5 minus 6 minus 12 root 10. And none of those are like terms. So that's as far as you can go. All right. This is the last section in this module. So after today, we'll just start working on the practice test. Go for it.